JDCap26 here, just do tips and fairs and hobbies. How you guys doing today? I hope you're doing well. This is a kit I got as a Christmas present. It's an early Christmas present. I know I shouldn't have opened it before Christmas. I'm bad, sorry. But this is a DCH2 Beaver, and it's a wooden one, and a flying model. So let's open it up. I don't do wooden models that much, as you know. I'm mostly doing figure models that I paint. But let's look at it. So get all this cellophane off and open it up. Oh, it looks like it's an actual flying kit. And it's got stencils to put on the plane itself. It's got other things in here. It's all made of balsa wood. We're familiar with balsa wood. I used to make ST rockets, and that was balsa wood. And put that to the side. Here's the instructions. There seems to be a lot to do to this kit, but I would assume you have to use some kind of a wood glue, and as you know, wood glue doesn't really last, it doesn't dry quickly on contact. Yeah, not very good instructions, to tell you the truth. So, let's see what this is. A lot of paperwork in this box, I'll tell you. This is a float option. You can actually have it float on the water, like a seaplane. See that? Like a seaplane, that top picture right here. So that's an option for a seaplane, or you put the wheels on. And what's this? This is cut out for scissors, modeler's knife, landing gear, fairing. Okay, so that's for the landing gear. Part of the instructions. Alternative covering, balsa wood frame using white glue for tissue. Oh no. They don't expect you to cover it in tissue, do they? Here's the Gallows catalog that comes with it for other planes you can get. Pretty interesting. Has an order form in the back. You can order stuff. Like I said, it's got rubber bands. A long rubber band here. Better put that over here. Here's the propeller. Some wheels. There's the wheels. Here's another propeller. I don't know why there's two. And this is part of the propeller. Another wheel. Some kind of modeling clay of some kind comes in the box. I don't know why you have that. And part of a wheel. Part of the front end. That actually looks like some kind of a mold. Huh. Here's the balsa wood. Here's some more balsa wood. Here's all the pieces. You know what, guys? I don't usually pass up on a model. But you know what? I don't think I'm going to make this, to tell you the truth. it's really got to be cut out with a knife. All these parts. I mean, they're not even laser cut. Remember, like the clock I did a couple videos ago? They're not even laser cut. I'd have to cut this all out with a knife. And my wrist is really not that well right now. Matter of fact, I ordered a brace for my wrist. It's really killing me. So, you know what? This goes back in the box. All these parts. And I don't think I want to make this kit. Sorry, Gallo. Just not my thing right now. All these propellers. All this stuff. I should have just maybe left it wrapped, huh? Piece of clay. Some stickers. All this. Ah, my wrist is killing me. So, the Gallo Flying Mono. It's got some pretty neat ones here. But I mean, too tough. Wood for me right now is too tough to handle for my wrist. You know, they got a lot of nice models here. Pages of them, you know. Let me show you the catalog. Pretty neat ones. I think if I was about 30 years younger, I'd probably attempt it. You know, look at the old. That's what they used to, the first flying historic plane. The Wright Brothers plane right there. That's the Wright Brothers plane, the first one. They actually laid down on the plane to fly it, as I remember. Pretty neat. Yeah, you need a cutting board too. I have a cutting board underneath this paper, but I'd cut the paper to shreds, and I don't want to do that. Some more pictures. I'm just gonna hang on to it. That's all. I'm gonna hang on to it. I'm sorry I can't entertain you today with making a model. There'll be other models I'll make. You know. Right now I'm trying to save up for a computer. And that's the DC-2 Beaver. It looks like something that would you'd see at a small airport, you know, or an island hopper down the islands. I saw one of these actually in the islands. My wife and I were on the beach, and we're just, you know, taking it easy in St. Martin. This was our belated honeymoon. And a plane went over, and I took a picture of a plane like this, and all of a sudden the engine went out. And I said, oh no. Then it came down, and it pancaked right in the water. Well, boat came flying in from one part, another boat came flying in. People started getting out of the plane, and the plane started going under. And then it went, they brought the people in, and this was one lady, she was really in shock, and she says, there's a doctor here, is there a doctor here? There's like 20 people around. There was like 4 doctors going, I'm a doctor, you know? And she was okay. She was just, you know, shocked from, you know, pancaking in the water. And so the plane sunk, and matter of fact, I went snorkeling over there, and I went down, and I saw a piece of, you know, plane wreckage. I said, oh, I'm going to get that. So I dove down, no tank or anything like that, and I grabbed the piece, and all of a sudden I got a cramp in my leg, and I guess I went down a little bit too far. And I came up, I got the piece, and I slowly, you know, got back to the beach and brought the piece in. My wife says, "Oh, you got a piece of the plane?" I says, "Yeah, I almost killed myself getting it." And she says, "What happened?" She says, "Oh, I got a cramp, you know." She says, "Oh, you know better to dive, you know, farther than that." This is a while back. And that was our trip to St. Martin. That was a good trip. Little get lizards running around, you know, like from that what's it called? Geico, you know, little Geicos running around, you know, like car insurance Geico. They were cute, you know, and that reminds me of the plane that went down to St. Martin. So that's your little story for today. I hope you're having a good holiday, and Christmas is almost upon us. So you take care, enjoy your Christmas, have a safe holiday, and we'll see you next time.